If we want to increase the availability of goods and the availability and accessibility of products, we need to bring down the costs of products. If each machine becomes individual, if you want an individual product at the end, even the products just change slightly, somehow the machinery to produce this product has to adapt slightly. On the other hand, if we ask the plant operator, or if you would ask the plant operator, they will of course tell you, I cannot buy a new machine every year just because I introduce a new product. I don't have the space in my plant, and of course I don't have the option to have a return on investment in some month. Each active maintenance, downtimes are not accepted, will not be accepted in the future. They have to be accepted today. But if you want to have preventive maintenance and transmit additional status information from the sensor, you need also advanced communication. If you're on the limit, already with this machine, you don't know what your end customer expects 1 year later or 2 years later. So ideally, small modifications are enough to again adapt the system. You're not able anymore to make your own decisions which products you use or which you can't use, or when you use a different platform, or when you have to stay with your current supplier. So basically, what it comes down to is that the network is a key differentiator of the whole production process. And if it's a key differentiator, make sure that you keep control on your technology and not technology keeps control on your. Not is strongly shifting away from mechanics, and the added value is very much going into electronics and into software. Then, when the real-time Ethernet standards came in place, also in the beginning or in the mid of the 2000s, like between 2003 and 2005, these standards and the ideas were created. So to make use of the bandwidth given by the world-famous and well-known and well-accepted Ethernet physical communication, and put a software on top that makes sure you can achieve the real-time performance. It has already reached a very high maturity level. If you have different networks, you need to have different engineers, or at least you need to have different technologies you need to be aware of. If you use different cable types, you have different ways of fitting the cables. Try to be able to use one network for the complete automation system. And reducing cabling, again, reduces costs. Merging everything on one network means advanced interaction. Advanced interaction means more modular concepts. And then, let's say the highest level of openness is definitely open source, means usage without restriction. You decide what you need, when you need, how much you need, and in which way you use it. The big chance also for the plant operators to drive down the costs by standardizing on open technologies. All about, it's about investment security. And the possibility to make changes to the technology, it's something you can do, but honestly, 99% of the people wouldn't want to do. They want to use it because it's a mature product. And this, you can choose products from different vendors. And what can also be very interesting, it might be interesting also for your machine building company to build some parts of devices yourself, because it is a specific electronic part you don't want to outsource. You don't want to buy a commercial off-the-shelf product, because here is some specific know-how in it. And you want to keep your R&D team to do this. Then you can use the open technology, put it inside your device, and also connect it to your PLC, what you have chosen. Basically, we have to take care about benefiting all parts of the supply chain. If the end customer doesn't benefit at the end, it doesn't help at all. And only 100% open technology alone can achieve this, because only then people will be motivated to contribute, to make use of it, and also to promote it.